In this video, we're gonna fix a flat. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. Yes, even with these big tires, you can still get a nail into your tire. Now, full disclosure here, I'm not a professional. You should always take your vehicle to a professional. With that aside, let's go ahead and fix this tire. When I went to Jeep Beach 2021, I picked up this tire kit from ARB. They were actually there, and it literally has everything you need, but the tools are heavy duty, upgraded tools. It's not what you find on your regular auto parts store. This is a great kit to have. First thing you want to do is take out the nail. Since I'm at home, I got these vice pliers, needle nose. So we're gonna go ahead and extract this nail from the tire. The size of this thing. You catching this? Jesus. This is a wood nail they use in construction. Now I have this drill bit to drill into the hole of the tire to make the hole bigger so I can insert the plug a lot easier. I got this bit at Amazon. It's from Temo. I believe it was about $20. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. That's what you want. The plug's gonna go in nice and easy. What you want to do now is get your plug. Got little packs here. I finished one of these already, so I'm gonna go ahead and start a new one. And you want to insert it in your tool. And what I like to do, I like to open the tool up a little bit with a flathead screwdriver. When I get the plug right in the middle, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to lubricate it using this lube that the kit brought. So let's go on to the tire and get on with it. Just go ahead and insert the plug right into the hole. As you can see, the plug, it's inserted all the way. There's probably about a quarter to half an inch left. That's out. That's where you want to leave it at. And just do a half turn on the tool and pull out the tool. There you have it. We're going to wipe that axis loop out. I'm going to cut that tail off the plug. The kid brought this handy X-Acto knife. Cuts it right out. As you can see, there's the plug. It's a clean cut. All we have to do now is air back up As you can see, it was an easy process. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for future videos. Till next time, everybody.